Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video, and in this video today we will solve the 20 MCQs that are based on cell biology. Okay, so let's solve them. Okay, so the first question is, which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? And the options are Golgi apparatus, lysosome, mitochondria, and the fourth option is the ribosome. So think. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is mitochondria, and the reason is the mitochondria is able to produce the ATP via the process of the cellular respiration. Therefore, student, it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Okay, so the next question is, which of the following is absent in the prokaryotic cells? The options are A, the cell wall, B, plasma membrane, C, nucleus, and the D, ribosome. So student, the correct answer is C, that is the nucleus, and the reason for being the answer nucleus is that the prokaryotics, we all know they will lack the membrane bound organelles such as nuclei. Okay, so the correct answer is C, nucleus. Okay, so the next question is, which organelle is involved in protein synthesis? Okay, so the options are A, ribosome, B, lysosome, C, peroxisome, and the D, that is the Golgi body. So student, the correct answer is ribosome, that is A. Okay, and the ribosome is the answer because it has the capability to translate mRNA into protein. Okay, so ribosome is involved in the protein synthesis. This is the correct answer. So next question is, which of the following is a double membrane bound organelle? So the options are A, lysosome, B, ribosome, C, mitochondria, and the D, Golgi apparatus. So what do you think, student? What's the correct answer? The correct answer is C, that is mitochondria. Okay, because in the mitochondria it will have both the inner and the outer membrane. So among these four, the mitochondria is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. The fifth question is, which structure is responsible for packaging and the secretion? So the option for these questions are A, endoplasmic reticulum, B, Golgi apparatus, C, ribosome, and the D is the nucleus. So the correct answer for this question is B, that is the Golgi apparatus, and the reason behind it is that the Golgi, it is able to modify and package protein for the purpose of the export. Okay, so the option B is the correct answer. Okay, so the next question is, which of the following is a semi-autonomous organelle? The options are A, lysosome, B, Golgi body, C, mitochondria, and D, peroxisome. So the correct answer for this question is C, mitochondria. And why? Because the mitochondria, it have their own DNA and the ribosomes. Okay, so it is known as autonomous organelle. So it can replicate separately. Okay, so the seventh question is, which of the following is not a component of the cytoskeleton? Let's look on the options. The option A is the microtubule, B is the microfilament, C is the intermediate filaments, and the D is the centriole. So the correct answer for this question is D, that is the centriole, and the reason behind is that the centriole, it can organize the microtubule, but they are not themselves the part of the cytoskeleton. So the correct answer for this question is D, centrioles. Okay, so the next question is, which organelle contain the hydrolytic enzymes? Okay, so the options are A, ribosome, B, lysosome, C, Golgi body, and D, nucleolus. So any guesses, student? The correct answer is B, that is the lysosome. And lysosomes, they are also known as the suicidal bags because they will digest the cellular waste. Okay, so the option B is the correct answer as it contains the hydrolytic enzymes. So the next question is, which of the following is involved in lipid synthesis? Okay, so the options are rough endoplasmic reticulum, B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, C, Golgi body, and the option D is the ribosome. Okay, the correct answer, student, is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it will synthesize lipid as well as steroid also. Okay, so basically is involved in lipid synthesis. So let's move to next question. The next question is, which of the following is not found in the animal cells? The options are A, centrioles, B, lysosome, C, cell wall, and the fourth option is mitochondria. The correct answer, student, is C, that is the cell wall. And the reason behind is that the cell wall, we all know it is present in the plant cell, but in case of animal it is lacking. So the cell wall is lacking and it's not found in the animal cell. Let's move to another question. The next question is, which of the following is the site of photosynthesis? The options are A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplast, C. Golgi body, and D. Ribosome. So this is very easy question. The correct answer for this is, we all know, is chloroplast. Okay, that is the B option. And why the photosynthesis occur in the chloroplast? Because chloroplast contain the chlorophyll, okay, through which the plant will perform the process of photosynthesis. Now let's move to 12th question. Which of the following is not a function of the plasma membrane? So let's see the options. We have A. Selectivity, permeativity, B. Cell recognition, C. Protein synthesis, and the fourth option is D. Transport regulation. The correct answer is C, that is the protein synthesis. So ribosome, we all know, student, it will synthesize protein, okay, and the membranes are not synthesizing it. So this is the correct answer. C is your correct answer. The next question is, which organelle is involved in the process of the detoxification? The options are A. Lysosome, B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, C. Golgi body, and the fourth option is peroxisome. Okay. The correct answer is, student, B, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it will detoxify the drugs as well as the poison. Okay, so the process of removal of toxin is known as detoxification and it occurs in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The next question is, which of the following is a universal feature of all cells? A. The nucleus, B. The DNA, C. The mitochondria, or the fourth option, that is the chloroplast. The correct answer for this, student, is the B, that is the DNA. We all know that all the cell, they will contain the genetic material that is stored in the DNA. Okay, so this is the universal feature of all the cells. Let's move to 15th question. And the 15th question is, which of the following is not a membrane bound organelles? Okay, so the options are A. Ribosome, B. Nucleus, C. Mitochondria, and D. Endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct answer for this question is the option A, ribosome. Okay, and why? Because the ribosome, they are the non-membranous organelle, that is, they are lacking the membrane. Okay, so A is the correct option or the correct answer for this question. The 16th question is, which of the following is involved in cell division in an animal cells? The options are A. Chloroplast, B. Centriole, C. The lysosome, D. The ribosome. Okay, the correct answer for this is B, centriole. Okay, so why the centriole is the answer? Because centriole, it will help organizing the spindle fibers. Okay, let's move to another question, that is, which of the following is the largest organelle in a plant cell? So this is very easy question. We have options: nucleus, vacuole, chloroplast, and the fourth option is the Golgi body. I think most of us, we know the answer. The correct answer is the vacuole. Okay, so the vacuole, it will occupy the largest space in the cell volume. Okay, so the B is the correct answer, that is vacuole is the largest organelle in the plant cell. Okay, let's see the 18th question, that is, which of the following organelle is involved in the apoptosis? So apoptosis is, student, cell death. So the options we see are lysosome, mitochondria, Golgi body, and the D is the ER, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer for this is the B option, that is the mitochondria. Okay, so mitochondria, it will release the cytochrome C during the process of programmed cell death, that is also known as apoptosis. Okay, so mitochondria is involved in the programmed cell death. The 19th question is, which of the following is not the part of the endomembrane system? The options are A. Endoplasmic reticulum, B. The Golgi body, C. The lysosome, and the D is the mitochondria. Okay, the correct answer for this is the option D, that is the mitochondria. So mitochondria, we all know they are independent of the endomembrane system. So for this question, the correct answer or the correct option is the D, that is the mitochondria. Last question, which of the following is the site of ribosomal RNA synthesis? This is also very simple question. So the options are ribosome, nucleus, and the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, the correct answer for this is, we all know, is the B option, that is the nucleolus. Okay, so nucleolus, student, it will synthesizes the ribosomal RNA and it will also assemble the ribosomes. Okay, so this is all in this video. If you like the video and for more such content, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.